Best home printers in 2022. Whether you have a multi-generational household with members who have different sets of needs or you have a work-from-home setup, only the best home printers can meet your demands. Remember that you have a link to all the products in the description. Let's see the best home printers in 2022. 6. Xerox Phaser 6510DN. Although you probably only think of Xerox when it comes to office printers, the company's entry-level line would be ideal for a home office, especially one with heavy print demands. The Xerox Phaser 6510DN offers automatic double-sided printing and a quick print speed of 28 pages per minute. 250 sheets of A4 paper can be expanded to 850 sheets in the main tray. Standard black toner cartridges can print up to 2,500 pages on the Phaser 6510DN, while the printer comes with enough toner for 1,000 color or 1,500 monochrome pages. This printer doesn't have scan, copy, or fax capabilities, but these are trade-offs you must make if you want a laser printer at this price. It has every security feature and high build quality that one would expect from Xerox. 5. Canon Pixma G1220. This entry-level megatank model from Canon offers you refillable ink tanks and a large number of bottles at a reasonable price. In order to accomplish this, some features have been sacrificed, including the auto duplex mode, the display, and the amount of space for paper. Even though its advertised print speed is 9 pages per minute, this printer is not the fastest. Even so, it has high-quality printing, scanning, and copying capabilities, can work with envelopes and glossy photo paper, and can even print banners. 4. Epson Workforce WF7210DTW. A3 paper-capable printers for the home office are uncommon, but printers that can automatically print on both sides of an A3 page are almost unheard of. One such beast, the Workforce WF7210DTW, excels at what it does. Whether it's a glossy photo or a monochrome text, print quality is impressive. Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity are included in the lengthy list of features, and the 2 paper trays can each hold 500 sheets. 3. HP Envy Pro 6420 Printer. The HP Envy Pro 6420 is a small, reasonably priced inkjet printer that has every feature a home office printer should have. Your smartphone can be used to print, scan, copy, and even fax. Although the print speed is slow, the built-in ADF allows it to duplex print and photocopy a stack of up to 35 pages. You have built-in Bluetooth and self-healing Wi-Fi in place of an Ethernet port, which makes mobile printing with the HP iOS/Android app especially simple. 2. HP DeskJet 3755. The smallest all-in-one inkjet printer on the market, this tiny device can fit into a suitcase or sit comfortably on any shelf and comes in a variety of colors. It works best for light tasks at home rather than in the office because it only has space for 60 sheets of paper and 2 ink cartridges on board. It can print on any size media up to A4/letter, including glossy photo paper and envelopes. It has built-in Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi Direct, and AirPrint, and prints excellent photos slowly. 4 flatbed scanning functions are performed by HP's Novel Scan Beam, which has what appears to be a carry handle on top. Any document you place in the slot below will automatically be drawn through and scanned so it can be copied. Lexmark MB3442 ADW. Despite its diminutive size, the Lexmark MB3442 ADW has all the features and capabilities of a capable office printer. It is a 4-in-1 device, so in addition to printing, scanning, and photocopying, it also allows you to fax, assuming you have a landline. This is one of the quickest laser printers available, printing 42 pages per minute. The touchscreen and front USB ports are undoubtedly practical, and the duplex printing and scanning are both done well. Large documents like manuscripts can be printed quickly, and quality is consistently good. You have in the description the link of all the products. I hope you liked the video. Goodbye.